YouTube stands as a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, especially for beginners looking to make their mark. Among the many strategies out there, creating tutorials is proven to be a moneymaker. This approach not only captivates viewers but also educates them, leading to potential purchases and, consequently, commissions for you, the creator. Why tutorials? The beauty of tutorials lies in their ability to attract an audience that is already in the decision-making phase of a purchase. When a viewer clicks on a tutorial, they are often looking for information on a specific product or seeking guidance on a problem they wish to solve. By offering a solution through your tutorial, you not only provide value but also build trust, which is crucial in the affiliate marketing world. The art of creating effective tutorials. Understand your audience. The first step is to understand what your audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or YouTube's search bar to discover popular queries related to your niche. Choose the right product. Once you know what your audience wants, select a product that answers their needs. For example, if your audience is interested in home office setups, an ergonomic desk chair would be a perfect choice. Create engaging content. Your tutorial should be more than just an instruction manual. Engage your viewers with a compelling narrative. Show them not only how to use the product but also how it can improve their lives. Showcase the product in action. Practical demonstrations are key. If you're discussing an ergonomic desk chair, don't just talk about its features. Show how to adjust it for maximum comfort and the difference it makes. Be transparent. Always disclose that your links are affiliate links. Honesty fosters trust and credibility with your audience. For tech quality matters, invest in good video and audio equipment. Clear visuals and sound can make a significant difference in keeping your audience engaged. SEO optimization. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags. This makes it easier for potential viewers to find your tutorial when searching for related topics. Engaging thumbnails and titles. Create eye-catching thumbnails and titles that clearly communicate the value your tutorial offers. This can significantly increase your click-through rates. Affiliate link placement. Place your affiliate links prominently in the video description and consider pinning a comment with the link for easy access. To maximize reach, promote across platforms. Share your video on social media platforms, blogs, and forums. This cross-platform promotion can drive more traffic to your video. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and queries on your video. Engagement not only builds community but also boosts your video in YouTube's algorithm. Consistency is key. Regularly upload quality content. Consistency helps in building a loyal audience base and improves your channel's visibility. The success story of Alex, a tech enthusiast and YouTube new content creator, underscores the effectiveness of this strategy. By creating tutorials centered on tech gadgets, Alex tapped into a niche with a broad and active audience. He collaborated with affiliate programs like Amazon Associates and Best Buy, each offering a commission rate of about 5%. His approach was strategic. He chose products like an ergonomic desk chair for its relevance and appeal, crafted tutorials that addressed common user issues, and optimized his content for YouTube visibility, ensuring his affiliate links were easily accessible. Within the first 30 days, his ergonomic desk chair tutorial garnered 150,000 views, translating to a 5% center and around 150 sales, netting him $2,250. By replicating this approach with other products over 90 days, Alex's total earnings soared to $42,000. This success story highlights key factors like relevance, SEO optimization, strategic affiliate partnerships, and active audience engagement as critical to success in YouTube affiliate marketing. Alex's journey demonstrates that providing genuine value to the audience, far beyond mere product showcasing, is essential in leveraging YouTube tutorials for notable affiliate marketing earnings. The long-term benefits. Engaging in YouTube affiliate marketing through tutorials isn't just about immediate gains. It's about establishing yourself as a trusted source in your niche. Over time, as your channel grows, so does your potential to earn through affiliate links. YouTube affiliate marketing offers a world of opportunities for beginners, and tutorials are a fantastic way to tap into this potential. By focusing on creating valuable, informative, and engaging tutorials, you can guide viewers towards making informed purchasing decisions while earning commissions. Remember, the key to success in YouTube affiliate marketing is to add value to your audience's life. Do this effectively, and you'll see your efforts translate into tangible results.